What is up, you guys? It has been a while since I've been on here. So today we're gonna do a very requested video that I've been putting off for entirely too long, and that is my curly hair wash day routine products I use. I'm gonna just take you through the whole process, show y'all what products I use now. If you're just looking to figure out where to get started and you don't know where to start, I would highly recommend looking into some of these products. Keep in mind, you should shop for your curly products based on your hair type, not your curl pattern. Just looking for somewhere to get started because you don't really know what products to try and they can get pretty pricey, so I get it. Then you've come to the right place. I like the more messy, bigger look. Products I use will typically last about 4 to 6 days before I have to wash again. So without further ado, let's get into it. Because I only wash my hair like every 4 to 7 days or 4 to 6 days, I just deep condition every time, so. Mask sit for I let the clay mask sit in my hair for about 30 minutes, put a bun on, and I also use red light therapy so that it stays warm, because it is supposed to be like a heated mask or like a steam mask. Look at my hands because I'm cold. I'm gonna do this for a few minutes. And it's also good for blood circulation and hair growth and all that good stuff, so. About 30 minutes, so I'm gonna rinse it out now, and I have my wide tooth comb to get out the rest of the knots. I'm trying to get the majority of the water from my roots. Since my hair is really dry right now, I'm gonna mix these two instead. This is my favorite detangler. It's really good for me in my area because of all the frizz we have. So I like it for that too. Makes my hair super soft. There's still some knots that I need to. Just part it in the middle. I like to wait a little bit because if I put my products on with all the leave-in conditioner that I just slicked my hair with, it'll just be too weighed down. Okay, now I'm gonna add my L'Oréal Curl Expression. It's a cream, professional cream and jelly. Really particular about putting my hair products in like neatly and I even tried like finger rolling and finger coiling. But I just prefer the bigger, messier, and more natural look. And I just try to make sure that I get the product on the whole strand of the hair. So I'm like going like this and then scrunching it up my scalp, like that. So all the hairs in between are getting product. Now that we have product dispersed throughout all of the hair, I'm going to flip my head over again and hover. Dry now. It's kind of fallen into this part. All the bangs are kind of just all over the place to get some more volume at the top. But that's the end of 13. Once my hair is completely dry, I'll get back on here and I'll put some oil on the bottoms and then she's done. At this point, I would also use the Curl Reviver Spray because anybody with curly hair knows that on day one, curls are so soft that they fall and they're just like whack. This, as I see it just drying, I will like mist it in there super lightly and far away. And it just adds a little bit of texture and hold, a little bit of manageability. That is it. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Instagram or you can comment below. I'll do my best to get back to you. I have a ton of other products that I use back and forth and I just swap them all out. So if you have any questions on the full inventory that I use, I can go through that, but this is currently what's working for me. And